Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is my first week in Toronto and I thought I should share my experience with you guys that how am I feeling living in Toronto. Okay guys, my sister Samita, she's here. Samita brought me this money plant. Here you go, Samita's here. So these were the souvenirs that I bought from Montreal. This is cup, this is mug, this is Montreal. This one is for Goody, a tiny cute mug, and two more similar, and this too. Vida, say hi. 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 Kind of. And look who's here. Hi. Who's this? Asha Rupani. And it's Vijay. Okay guys, so Sunny and Bhabhi are here. They're downstairs. Actually, they have brought food for us. And we are just going downstairs. Hello, Goody. Dinner पे जरूर आइएगा. Okay, चलो. Bye Ken, bye Bidu, bye. This is the food they have brought for us, and these are naans. So let's go home and eat. Halim, my favorite. Kofta, chicken kofta, and what else? Fruit salad, and stuff for Halim. Nice. Amazing, and naans. Thank you so much, Sunny and Bhabhi. We really appreciate it. So guys, we are going to enjoy our food and I will see you guys shortly. It is July 1st today, which is Canada Day, and today we are going to see fireworks at CN Tower. And it is going to be super fun, I'm pretty much sure. And the fireworks are going to be at 10 p.m. So everybody is here and we all are prepared to see it. And I'm going to show you as well. And this is the view.
Baby is my husband.
Oh, okay. I can't even see you. Look at that drone. So today we are going to see these fireworks from this balcony. Look at that, guys. Because of COVID-19, but we got lucky because we are here, just close by, to CN Tower. There you go.
Oh, how was that?
Now, 3, 2, 2. Come on. So this was huge disappointment because we expected fireworks, but it was a light show. But that's fine because of COVID-19. They didn't do it. They didn't want people to come over and see these fireworks, but that's fine. We enjoyed this light show and I hope you also did it. So anyways, that's pretty much it for today and I will see you guys tomorrow. And look at this view, guys. I was just going to sleep, and when I turned off the lights, and this is what I saw. Okay, so, and I loved it. This is the most beautiful view that I've ever seen in my life. Where are you going? Where are you going? Nani what? Where are you going? Nani amma what vanito? So right now we are heading to my Abu's place. Okay, let's open up this box. What's in there? Oh, what? Yeah, it's your birthday. Can your birthday? Yeah, it's your birthday gift. Nice. Okay, guys, so this is the gift Samita got me, and I just loved it. Purple color is my favorite, all-time favorite. It has embroidery, guys. It's beautiful. I am at my Abu's place, and Samita has got me anniversary gift because it is my wedding anniversary today. It is Asha and my wedding anniversary today. And she has got me beautiful comforter. And I'm going to show you when I'll use it. And this one is for Asha. And this one is for Samita. And this one too. She has ordered these Gul Ahmed bed sheets from Pakistan especially. And we just love Gul Ahmed brand. The menu for this karaoke. The CD bhi hai. Goody. Goody. Goody, jo happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Thank you. Goody. Oh my God. Guys, they're here. Come on. Welcome. Meet with my mommy. Say hi, mommy. Hi. Meet with my Abu. Curry is almost ready, but we are not going to have food right now. We are going to have chit chat, and we are going to enjoy the view from our balcony, and then we'll eat. Goody, goody, pose kari dekha Rama ke. Hey guys, so it is Saturday today, and we are heading to grocery store because tomorrow we are planning to go to our parents' place, and I thought I should cook something for them, and I'm going to take some what do you call food for them. So we are at grocery stores. We are gonna go in there and buy some stuff, so just follow me. And guys, the masks are mandatory in Ontario. We are back from the groceries, guys. Going to unpack our other groceries that we brought from Quebec. And this is the fresh groceries that we just brought. And Sanjay always helps me in setting the groceries. And guys, I've got my new ring light. My mummy and Abu gave it to me. And I'm just unboxing it. And I needed this badly. So Sanjay is going to assemble it for me. It's amazing. I am loving it. Thank you, Mummy and Abu. Okay guys, so we have set up all the groceries and now I am going to think what am I going to make tomorrow, because I am planning to make chicken seekh kebab, matar paneer, yakhni pulao and naan, and with raita as well, because raita is gonna go with our chicken seekh kebab. So I'm planning that. So I'm just going to make the preparations right now so that tomorrow in the morning I can start cooking and we can leave early, around maybe before 10:30 or 11 o'clock in the morning. And now we are just leaving. Everybody's waiting. The time right now is 2:30 and they are hungry because I told them not to cook, so they are waiting for us. So anyways, let's just go. Wari kha jao. Wari kha jao. There you go. They are here waiting for us. So guys, we are at the backyard and Asha, Vijay and Goody are at beach. They're going to spend their day over there. We are going to spend our day in here. क्या रहा कहीं कोनी? ये थोड़ा fancy पच्चा लगा है. ये fancy लगा है, खबर है? So we are going to spend our day here, and those guys are going to spend their day on the beach. क्या हाल है तुझे?
हाल भालो, तू बता.
हाल ठीक है. बोर पे दी लगे तो.
जाम बोर पे थे.
मोना किथे? Mona किथे? Cut it. And look at those vegetables, guys. Gul did a great job, but my Abu is saying he did it, but Gul says he did it. I'm not sure who's lying. Gul, do you wanna tell us what is that? Gul? Budana chai, Gul? So these are green chilies, I guess. Yeah, these are green chilies. This is cucumber. And what else? Yeah, tomatoes. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for today, and it was super amazing week in Toronto and we are enjoying this change. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.